Our web security program is tailored to speak to developers, product owners and professionals following Agile methodologies, management currently involved or will be involved in development projects, not only, but professionals who manage team of development in all areas. Management who wants to understand how shifting security left significantly reduce costs and worries. Developers who need more and more security knowledge, guide them into the corner cases often overlooked during the development process, and developers who never think about security. While for security experts, we will have intensive debates and knowledge sharing. New perspective for both of us. Also, DevOps area will be covered with all the risks it introduces in an actionable and practicable way, prioritizing what's needed, all for the purpose of learning and sharing knowledge from our experience with consulting and managing large enterprises from different industries we face every day. We will end with an assessment and consultancy from our advisors on your security landscape, showing clear direction on your security maturity level, rooms of improvements, and supporting your shift security left journey. We will talk to everyone in separate webinar. Check out our program agenda to know more.